Crypto treasuries face high hurdle. Premiums unlikely to hold. Bitwise CIO. Bitcoin treasuries. Bitwise. Treasury. Hougan warns that expenses and operational risks compound over time. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 9 minutes ago. Digital asset treasury companies are unlikely to maintain valuations above the value of the crypto they hold, according to Bitwise Chief Investment Officer Matt Hougan, who said Sunday that structural frictions in the DAT model make sustained premiums the exception, not the rule. Key takeaways. Bitwise CIO Matt Hougan says most digital asset treasuries will trade at a discount. Only a few uncertain strategies like issuing debt, lending tokens, or using options can offset this structural pressure. Hougan warns that expenses and operational risks compound over time, making sustained premiums rare even for well-run DATs. Hougan argued that most DATs face unavoidable downward pressure from illiquidity, operating expenses, and execution risk. These factors, he said, consistently pull a DAT's market value below the value of its underlying crypto, while only a small set of uncertain levers can push crypto per share higher. Most will trade at a discount, and only a few exceptional firms will trade at a premium, Hougan said, calling DATs a category with a high hurdle. Illiquidity, expenses, and risk form the baseline discount. Hougan broke the structural discount into 3 pillars, beginning with illiquidity, which he described as a fundamental drag that exists because DAT investors receive exposure indirectly rather than holding the assets themselves. Why pay full price today for Bitcoin you'd receive in a year? He asked, saying that any delay or friction creates an automatic markdown. He then pointed to expenses, noting that operating costs and executive compensation dilute crypto per share over time. Finally, Hougan emphasized risk, explaining that investors must price in the possibility that a treasury firm will slip up in some way, whether through poor execution, mismanagement, or unexpected losses. Combined, he said, these factors create the baseline discount that DATs must overcome. Only a small set of strategies can offset that structural drag, Hougan noted. These include issuing debt, lending tokens, selling options, or buying assets at a discount, all of which work only under specific conditions and often introduce new points of failure. Expenses and risk compound over time, he added, arguing that even well-run DATs face increasing difficulty maintaining performance across cycles. ETFs now offer the cleanest path to crypto exposure. Hougan's comments come as sentiment shifts toward exchange-traded funds, which many analysts say offer cleaner, simpler exposure to crypto. Nate Geraci, co-founder of the ETF Institute, called spot ETFs DAT killers that ended the era when treasury companies could benefit from regulatory loopholes. Responding to Geraci, Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balcones said ETFs accomplish the same goal as DATs but with good tracking, allowing them to mirror underlying asset performance more efficiently. As reported, the global crypto sector is bracing for potential turbulence as major index provider MSCI weighs whether to exclude digital asset heavy companies from its flagship equity benchmarks, a move analysts warn could force billions in passive outflows early next year. The discussion, which began quietly in October, has gained urgency after MSCI confirmed it is consulting the investment community on whether firms holding more than 50% of their balance sheet in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies should remain eligible for inclusion. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. Crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer ahead of Monad crypto launch. Expert warns of worst-case scenario. Google's Gemini AI predicts shocking prices for XRP, Picoin, Ethereum as crypto prices crash. XRP price prediction. $2 support lost. Why the $1.80 level is now the last line of defense. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Confidence fades as whales offload 250M XRP key levels to watch. 19 hours ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Crypto markets plunge below key levels. Will BTC price rebound or retest lows? 1 day ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Billionaire crypto investor warns this is the last chance to buy BTC under $90,000. What does he know? 3 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 7 hours ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 6 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in November 2025. 3 days ago, by Alan Draper. 13 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. November 4, 2025, by Ben Beto.